To tie-dye a shirt, you'll need a white shirt, 3 to 4 clothing dyes, 3 to 4 bottles with a drip nozzle, a plastic bag, and some rubber bands. First, bundle up the white t-shirt into a ball and wrap multiple rubber bands around it to secure it. The number of rubber bands you use will determine how many white streaks are in your design. Put on some rubber gloves and fill the bottles with different colors of clothing dye. Next, place the bundled up shirt in a large bowl. Squirt the dyes onto different sections of the shirt and let it soak into the fabric. Add specific colors to different sections, or pour the dye randomly depending on how you want your shirt to look. Once the entire shirt is soaked in dye, place it in a sealable plastic bag and close the top. Let the shirt sit overnight. Then take the shirt out of the bag and rinse it under cold water to remove the excess dye. To set the dye permanently, machine wash the shirt by itself on a delicate cycle without detergent. Finally, let the shirt air dry and you're done.